France is home to some of the world's most famous and popular ski resorts, offering a wide range of activities, tours, and events. Here are detailed descriptions of a few of the top ski resorts in France. Chamonix Mont Blanc. Chamonix is one of the oldest and most renowned ski resorts in the world. Situated at the foot of Mont Blanc, it attracts skiers and snowboarders from all over the globe. Vallée Blanche Tour. A guided off-piste tour offering a 20 kilometers descent through glaciers, providing stunning views and a thrilling experience for advanced skiers. Heli-skiing. For those looking for an adrenaline rush, heli-skiing tours drop skiers on untouched snowfields. La Verte des Houches. Known for hosting World Cup events, this challenging downhill slope is a must for expert skiers. Grand Monte offers a variety of difficult pistes and is a favorite for advanced skiers and snowboarders. Freeride World Tour. Chamonix hosts this prestigious event where top freeriders compete on the steep and deep terrain. Ultra Trail du Mont Blanc, UTMB. Although not a winter event, this famous trail running race brings many visitors to Chamonix in the summer. Courchevel. Part of the Three Valleys ski area, Courchevel is known for its luxury, glamour, and extensive ski terrain. Ski Safari. Guided tours that allow skiers to explore different areas within the Three Valleys, ensuring a varied experience on the slopes. Snowshoeing and hiking. Numerous trails are available for those who prefer exploring on foot. La Solière, one of the highest points in Courchevel, offering breathtaking views and long, varied descents. Les Creux, a popular red run known for its wide, open slopes and spectacular scenery. International Fireworks Festival, an annual event where pyrotechnic experts from around the world display their skills. Women's Alpine Ski World Cup. Courchevel regularly hosts this exciting competition, drawing top female skiers. Val d'Isère. Val d'Isère, coupled with Tignes, forms the Espace Killy ski area. It is renowned for its challenging pistes and vibrant après-ski scene. Off-piste adventures. Guided tours that take experienced skiers to some of the best off-piste terrains in the Alps. Ice driving. For a unique experience, visitors can try their hand at driving on the resort's ice track. La Fosse de Bellevarde, a steep, black run that was used in the 1992 Winter Olympics. Soleils, a favorite among intermediates, offering a variety of red and blue runs. Critérium de la Première Neige. This annual event marks the beginning of the ski season and includes various ski competitions. Classicaval, a classical music festival held in January and March, providing a cultural touch to the winter season. Les Arcs. Les Arcs is part of the Paradis area, linked with La Plaine, offering vast ski terrain suitable for all levels. Ski guiding, available for those looking to explore the Paradis area with an expert guide. Paragliding. Experience the thrill of paragliding over the stunning alpine scenery. Aiguille Rouge, a challenging run from the resort's highest peak, offering a 7 kilometers descent. Belvedere, a picturesque blue run, perfect for intermediate skiers looking to enjoy the views. European Film Festival of Les Arcs, held in December. This festival attracts filmmakers and cinema enthusiasts. Ski and golf competition, a unique event combining skiing and golf in a fun and competitive format. Maribel. Located in the heart of the Three Valleys, Maribel is known for its traditional chalet architecture and extensive ski area. Snow biking. For a different kind of adventure, try biking on snow-covered trails. Dog sledding, a family-friendly activity that lets you explore the winter landscape in a unique way. Combe Vallon, one of the longest and most challenging red runs in the area. Mont Vallon offers a variety of pistes and spectacular views from the top. Three Valleys Enduro, a popular event featuring various disciplines such as slalom, giant slalom, and off-piste challenges. Torchlight Descent, an event where skiers descend the slopes with torches, creating a beautiful display. These resorts not only offer world-class skiing, but also a wide range of activities and events, ensuring an unforgettable experience for visitors.